Muslim youth identified as Shamsuddin, who was the brother of a Jammu-based Hurriyat activist Anas, was martyred at the Indian Army's torture center in Udhampur. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Srinagar on June 26 in 2019 was to give the final touch to the Modi government's plot about abrogating Article 370 in occupied Kashmir. This was stated by Lieutenant General retired KJS Dhillon in his yet-to-be-released book Kitne Ghazi Aaye, Kitne Ghazi Gaye. Authored by Dhillon, the book will be released tomorrow on the death anniversary of 40 Central Reserve Police Force personnel who, according to various investigation reports, were killed in a false flag operation devised by the BJP government to defame Pakistan as well as Kashmir Freedom Movement. Indian troops arrested 2 youth in South Kashmir's Pulwama district. The troops, during a cordon and search operation, arrested the youth in Litter area of the district and claimed that the youth were activists of a Mujahid organization. However, the locals said the youth were ordinary citizens. Indian Supreme Court today dismissed challenge to the Modi government-appointed delimitation commission that has redrawn the constituencies in the occupied territory in a way that favors the BJP top Indian court. Dismissed petitions against the challenges the delimitation commission set up for redrawing the assembly and paramilitary constituencies in occupied Kashmir after it was downgraded into 2 union territories in 2019 when its special status under Article 370 was illegally scrapped. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the Indian Supreme Court dismissing the petition challenging the delimitation process in occupied Kashmir is immaterial when legal challenges to the abrogation of Article 370 are pending before the apex court. Mehbooba Mufti, talking to reporters in South Kashmir's Bijbihara area, said, "We have rejected the delimitation commission from the outset." Speakers at a function in Srinagar said BJP RSS regime is destroying the lives of the people by driving them to drug addiction through brutal policies and measures. Speakers including Hurriyat leader Dr. Musab, Professor Umar, Muhammad Akash and Govind Singh Khalsa said the harassment, demolition, political injustice and unemployment issues are driving the youth in Jammu and Kashmir to drug addiction. India is the worst place in the world for a woman and is world's leading country by Hindutva, RSS, BJP as far as crime against women is concerned, said a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. The report said women are usually considered second-class citizens, while minorities including Muslims, Dalits and Christian women are highly mentally in depression and humiliated in India.